welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. This is gonna be our Amber chit chat. We haven't just relaxed, kicked back, and just soaked it in so long. Well, I have a cool idea for our Amber's chit chat, and I hope you kind of enjoy, but maybe you won't. Well, we'll see. I want to interview or kind of get to know and ask some fun random questions for Mfk Baccarat 540, the Extrait version, okay? I feel like, there are some fragrances that you're just like, what celebrity would you pair this fragrance with? What color do you smell when you're smelling this fragrance? What movie, what song, and so on and so forth. And so I was like, yeah, let me think. But I'm going to be answering. But let me think of what would Mfk Baccarat 540, the Extrait version, represent with some of these questions or thoughts surrounding this beautiful fragrance. Well, fam, I am going to interview the popular Mfk, okay, Baccarat Rouge 540, the Extrait version, okay, the almond, the beauty, the redness, okay. So we have some questions that we want to ask, and let's get right into it, okay? Shall we? Yeah, girl, we shall, okay. So if I were to ask, what song choice would represent you? Would represent you, MFK? What song choice would it be? I think, this is me now, but I think the song choice would be Too Close by Next. Do y'all know that? Baby, they're guiding. I get so excited. Ooh, how I like it. Try, but I can't find it. Do y'all know that? Y'all remember that song? I think Mfk Baccarat 540 would choose. I think its song, the Extrait version, its song would be Too Close by Next. Okay. Now, if I were to go to a celebrity, what celebrity do I think kind of signifies this fragrance? I would have to say Brandy. But the Brandy, not new Brandy. Back in the day, Brandy, like sitting up in my room, Brandy. Braids, Brandy. Well, I mean, Brandy still be wearing braids, but still. Back in the day, Brandy, braids. I think this would be Brandy. What y'all think? What celebrity do y'all think would either maybe wear or kind of represents this fragrance? I feel like Brandy gives me diva, right? Could be soft, but could be quiet too, right? But don't play with her, right? She has this side of sexiness that everybody sees, that everybody doesn't get to see, but the side of sexiness and the side of I will knock you out if I have to, politely. Yeah, I feel like this gives me Brandy. Could be everyday girl, with the almond, just the, that fresh take on it. I feel like this can also be the everyday girl next door, but just don't cross her. And she still gives sexy, but she'll This will give a soft tone in the forefront. Like I feel like this is brandy. What y'all think? Maybe not. But let me know your choice down below. Now, when I look at this fragrance, what color do I imagine this? Like, what does it smell like? Because sometimes, there's color that you kind of like get an image in your brain. Well, when I was talking to Mfk Baccarat 540 Extrait, it was giving me gold. Like, I feel like, not just because of the bottle, but I feel like when I smell it, it gives me like gold.
That's the new color, children. Hit it.
It gives me a sense of rich, just defined. Like it's not white gold, right? This is yellow gold, right? This is like the best of the best. This is like 14 carats, 18 karat gold. It's one of those. So yeah, when I smell this, it gives me gold. Like at first I was thinking brown or tan, but then I was like, no, it gives me a little rich. So when I think of like a rich tan or brown, I go to gold. I don't know, so if you were to have a color, it would be gold. So if Mfk Baccarat 540 Extrait was to have a dance. You all know I'm a dance girl. I love to dance. But if this fragrance was to have like its own signature dance, I feel like it's giving me y'all gonna be like, what? I feel like it's giving me Cabbage Patch.
How do you do that? Let's break it down. You take it out, you bring it back. Take it out, you bring it right back. Bring it back. Sideways, goes out, back, out, back.
I remember the Cabbage Patch. Cabbage. I feel like a little Cabbage Patch wine. I feel like it can give me, is that the Cabbage Patch? I hope this is the Cabbage Patch. But I feel like it's giving me old school Cabbage Patch. What y'all think? Will it be giving you like Latin flair or rumba, samba? Like what you think? What dance would you pair? It's giving me cause she got a little dip to her. Cabbage Patch. Now, if I was to ask, like, what is your favorite movie, or like, what movie are you giving me? This is absolutely giving me, wait for it. You're like waiting to exhale. Angela Bassett when she's blowing up the car. Because it does have that diva-ness to it. It has like, I can be sick of you. You like you get there, like I am sick of you. So I feel like this can give me Angela Bassett blowing up the car. That would be the movie that this fragrance is giving me. Like, I want no parts of this fragrance. Moving on. Now, would I overspray or not? Would this be an overspray? Would you want to be oversprayed or not? I feel like you can overspray this fragrance. I feel like you can go to town. I feel like you need to go to stand out. You need to overspray, but, because there's a side, right? Like that brandy side. So there's a side of softness and maybe you want to be quiet. So I feel like you don't necessarily have to, but I feel like if you want to get the best of the best and be impactful, a good old overspray is absolutely fair to do in this situation. And last but certainly not least, like, what date would you wear this? Would this be your first date, second date, third, not a date, go home, I want to run you off? Like, what date would this fragrance be? This is giving me, in my opinion, this is giving me second date, right? First date, we were good, went off with a hitch, great chemistry, great, want to see you again. This is giving me second date. This is giving me decision making, like decision date. Do I go forth? Are we continuing on, the journey, or are we stopping and I just need to leave you a great scent trail to always remember me from?
Oh my God, this is the worst date ever. Oh, come on. Look, you know what? I'm sorry, but did you really think that this was going well?
So this is definitely giving me second date. Decision. I feel like second dates are like decision makers. Where are we going? Because once we get to 3, 4, 5, like, I feel like we're in there. I feel like this is a thing or working to be a thing. So I feel like this is giving me second date. What you all think? Would this give you first date, third, never a date, go home? Let me know in the comments. Definitely, I think it's a good second date fragrance. Well, that's all, fam, for my interview thoughts on Mfk Baccarat 540, the Extrait version. Okay. What are your thoughts on this fragrance? We want to know down below. Give us all the tea. Spill it. Do you like it? Do you not? Are you a part of the MFK stan? Or you're like, don't like it, don't want it? No, absolutely not. Let me know down below, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.